Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to tell you why your Facebook lock feature is not working. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy section. Now tap on Profile Locking. Now tap on Lock Your Profile and your profile will be locked. And if it doesn't work, then you have to manage some settings. To do so, go back. Now tap on Privacy Settings. Now under your Activity section, you have to set all these features to Friends. Let's start with Who can see your future post. Tap on Try it now and set the privacy to Friends. The limit option is not necessary. Then Who can see your page list. You can set this to only me or friends only. Then Who can see your stories and highlights. You have to set this on Friends. Now let's go back and tap on Profile Locking. Now try to lock your profile and it should work this time. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.